Hi viewers, today we are going to learn addition of fractions. So let's learn how to add each of them. So the first one is 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4. Now when we are adding fractions like this, what we use is known as the butterfly method. So let's apply the butterfly method. We are going to multiply 3 times 4 here is 12. 5 times 1, which is 5. You add it together. So 12 plus 5 all over. You multiply the denominator. 5 times 4 will give you 20. So 12 plus 5 is 17 over 20. It cannot be simplified further. So that's the answer. Now, in the case whereby you're given a mixed fraction added to a mixed fraction, what you do first is to separate your whole number from your fraction. What are our whole numbers? We have 4 and 1. We separate it from a fraction which is 3 over 5 and 2 over 3. Now 4 plus 1 is going to give us what? 5 plus, so we add using the butterfly method. 3 times 3 will give you 9 plus 5 times 2, that's 10. Now multiply 5 times 3, 15. So when you add that together, 9 plus 10 will give you what? 19 over your 15. So you divide to the lowest term because this is an improper fraction. Nothing can go into 19 and also go into 15. So we use 15 to divide directly. So 15 goes into 19 how many times? It's going to give you 1 time remainder 4 all over 15. Now the new whole number we have here, we are going to add it to our previous whole number. So our final answer is going to be 6 whole number 4 over 15. Now when you're adding a mixed number with an whole number, all you need to do is add your whole number to your whole number. So 6 plus 1 is going to give you 7, and then you have 7 whole number 2 over 3. Now same thing applies here. So we have 7 plus 3, 10 whole number 1 over 3. Hope you've learned something today. Goodbye for now.